I love Cebu. I love Cebu.
Di jud ka maguol, buotang mga tao ang nuduol. Busa, asa pa ka, Cebu na ta, o higala manuroy ta. Bisag asa, dali na, tara na.
Bahandi ka ning dughan ko. I love Cebu. Isingit ko ning kalibutan. I love Cebu.
So for those among you, thank you for smiling at the kids. Thank you for holding the babies. Thank you for just saying hello to old people. Our prayer is that this experience sinks deeply into your hearts, so that when you see people that are less fortunate, you would have an open heart. That whatever words that you say would have an actually contagious effect on them. And believe me, they have. The words that I'd like to tell you is, please bring home this experience. Hopefully, don't say that it has changed you, but believe that you have changed a lot of kids. Okay? You've met a lot of kids, and I'm sure that they are changed because we're not worried because we have you. When we see your enthusiasm, when you see you're being inquisitive on what we are doing, we just know that there are portions in different parts of the world who are actually going to be, hopefully we have lit something there, and you're going to spread the fire. So my parting words for you is very simple. Following the tradition of the pandemic, do not be contagious. Spread kindness, okay? In a good way. Thank you very much for coming here, and we're looking forward to the next visit. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you very much.